can gauge how our organization is using data currently. And it's showing you how it progresses typically. So you might actually be at the bottom if you don't even have data consolidated, if you don't have data awareness in the organization at all, you don't even exist on this chart. You might be down here. However, if you have the ability to describe events using data after they have happened, then you are here. You are able to productively have conversations around descriptive analysis. So that would be the dashboard that we were looking at as an example. So that situation has already happened. We are looking at it to see if we can make decisions that would improve that situation, right? The COVID cases have already happened. We're collecting that data from possibly hospitals. We're consolidating it. We've created a visualization, and we have in some shape or form done due diligence to report that effectively. Now, that's hindsight, right? Hindsight being 2020. You're reporting it. Do you have ability to understand what the trends might be that are impacting that data? Maybe, maybe not. And that's what takes you from what happened to why did it happen, right? What influenced those factors? That's called diagnostic analytics. So that's where you're starting to get some insights, and you're starting to understand why are certain things happening. Once you have understand that, what will happen as a next step? Could you look at the trends? Could you forecast that? Now, one company that's really good at this, we hear about Amazon Prime Day. How do they know what to put on sale? That's how that comes to be, right? Because they have all this data from the historic perspective, and they have insight into what the behavior is currently on their store, on their site. What type of items might people prefer? They're able to predict that. Prescriptive would be, how can I make certain decisions to actually make this, what I predicted, to be the truth? Now, this is where most organizations kind of go back and forth a little bit to get to this foresight point of view, right? Foresight is never 100%, but with certain margin of error, with certain criteria, certain factors that you may be able to measure as well, that's when you can get to the prescriptive analysis. Does that help?